Where are you from?
I am from Assam.
Assam.
Yeah.
Okay. That,
In Assam, people.
are you working?
Sorry.
Are you working?
Yeah, no, right now, I am not working.
Okay.
Okay. So, in Assam, many people work in Kerala. You know, Kerala people, Assam people in your side. You know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, I know.
yeah, many people in Assam people work in Kerala side. There is many work. That's why
Okay.
he go to the Kerala and did job there.
Okay.
What is your
That's good.
yeah? What is your mother tongue, brother?
Malayalam.
Malayalam. Okay, okay. Okay. So
You know Malayalam?
I don't know. I even
Yeah,
don't
no.
know any word.
Okay.
How can I say that?
Your mother language is
Uh,
sorry,
my mother language is Bangla.
Bangla.
Bangla. Bengali. The
Okay.
West Bengal language is
Bengali.
my language is same. So how can I say
Okay.
that in Malayalam? How are you? How what is the pronunciation in Malayalam?
നിനക്ക് സുഖമാണോ?
All right. Very dangerous language. That's it's
Okay.
uh,
സുഖമാണോ?
uh,
Just
it's
സുഖമാണോ?
it's a harder language than English. It's harder language than English.
Okay. You try.
Yeah.
സുഖമാണോ?
Sugamano.
Okay, that's
Sugamano.
it's perfect, perfect.
Yeah. Actually, there is many languages in
And
India. That's why
okay,
we have
it's
very difficult in communication. There is many languages, right? And if you see the
yes, yes, yes.
other country in China, we have the Chinese people they talk in Chinese. American people only have English,
Same language.
Britain English.
Okay.
But India we have
Yes, yes,
many languages, 22 official languages.
yes, yes. Many religions are living in India.
Many religious, but the language is very vast. 22 languages. That's
Yes,
why we
yes.
have difficulties in communication.
Yeah,
So what you do?
yes, yes. Currently, I'm not working. I'm in UAE, Abu Dhabi.
Even UAE.
Yes, yes. I'm living in UAE.
Okay.
I'm seeking for a new opportunity, new job
Okay.
for safety officer.
Okay. So how many before form you there?
Yeah, I'm in just one month and 5 days
Okay.
arrived
1 month, 5 days.
in UAE. Yes, yes.
Okay. So which type?
And are you studying?
Sorry.
Are you studying or not?
Not. I'm
Are you studying?
not. I'm working. Just now I'm talking you, but I am a working person. I am working as a manager in hotel management.
Okay. Okay,
First of all,
I'm
you are
told.
asking that I am working or not. That I am
Okay.
telling that the current time I am talking with you. So,
Okay.
so which type?
You're a hotel manager.
Yeah. Hotel manager in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Basically, I stay in Mumbai, but my hometown is Assam.
Okay, okay, okay.
Can you
That's
speak?
good.
Can you speak Hindi?
हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा मालूम.
थोड़ा. Okay.
I'm learning the Hindi.
Okay. So, which type job you looking?
Job? Which type of job?
Sorry. Which type
You,
job you
you
looking
said
like the Excel job, marketing job, or
no.
driving?
I'm looking for safety officer job.
Okay, safety.
You do you know about this?
No, I don't know.
Safety officer, contain safety
Okay, I don't know. I have a little
in
idea
UAE.
that safety officer observe that
Okay.
the computer and CC camera videos like that or not?
No. It's mainly focused oil and gas or and construction companies.
Okay, construction companies.
Hotel, hospital,
Okay.
every. Okay.
Okay.
Every yes.
Exactly what do safety manager, safety officer?
As a safety officer, how to working the employees safely and inspect and it's a documentation in UAE mainly for okay, time is over.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Time is over.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.